In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call from Freshsales. Whether you're a seasoned user looking to streamline your communication or someone who's just getting started with Freshsales, this guide will walk you through the process of making calls directly from the platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you feel most comfortable with. Type Freshsales into your search bar and hit enter. You'll see the official Freshsales website link in the results, so go ahead and click on that to proceed. Once there, you'll need to log into your Freshsales account. Just enter your credentials in the login section. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option to reset it so you can get right back to what you were doing without much delay. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the contact or deal record that you wish to call. This can be easily done by accessing your dashboard and looking up the contact's name or the specific deal you're working on. On the contact's detail page, you'll notice a phone icon or a button marked Call. This is your gateway to initiating a call directly from Freshsales. It's a great feature that allows you to keep everything within the platform, minimizing the need for juggling between different applications. When you click on the phone icon or the call button, it will automatically launch the Freshcaller dialer. Freshcaller is integrated seamlessly within Freshsales, providing you with a smooth experience. It's a handy tool that enables you to dial numbers without leaving the platform, making your workflow more efficient. Once the dialer is open, you can go ahead and use it to make your outgoing call. Enter the number you wish to dial or select a contact directly from the system. This functionality simplifies the process by reducing the steps needed to reach out to your contacts. One of the standout features of using Freshcaller with Freshsales is that it automatically logs the call details and any subsequent activities to the contact's record. This means every call you make and every detail you discuss is tracked and recorded. It provides a comprehensive history of all your conversations, which can be incredibly useful for future reference and follow-ups. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effortlessly call contacts directly from your Freshsales account. This integration not only saves time, but also ensures that your communication history is organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of your Freshsales experience.